Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Meijlan Yasir and I am presenting today alongside my colleague, Mr. Marju Kisnambela, who represents State College of Methodology, Comparative and Geophysics Indonesia. Our research titled Comparative Performance Analysis of Firebase Realtime Database and Supabase using Multi-Method Testing Approach aims to compare these two prominent database platforms to provide developers with a clear understanding of their strengths and limitations. As developers, choosing the right database is critical for ensuring application performance. Firebase Realtime Database, a NoSQL platform, specializes in real-time science and frequent updates, while Supabase, based on PostgreSQL, handles complex queries and transactions effectively. Despite this popularity, there are limited research comparing this platform in terms of latency, scalability, throughput, and cost efficiency. Our study addresses this gap by evaluating both databases under identical conditions, providing insight that will help developers select the right platform for their specific needs. Alright, the primary issue developers face is the lack of empirical data comparing Firebase HTTP and Supabase. This leads to challenges in understanding their performance under different workloads. So our research objectives are twofold. First, to assess performance metrics such as latency, scalability, throughput, and cost. Second, to offer actionable recommendation for developers and decision makers to choose the most suitable platform for their application. Then there is the methodology overview. We designed a structured experiment to compare this platform fairly. Both databases were set up in identical environment. Like this, for the environment, we use the Windows 11 device, and Intel Core i5 processor has 16 gigabyte of RAM and stable internet speeds of 119.5 Mbps for download and 56.5 Mbps for upload. Then for the latency testing, we generate the JSON datasets containing fields such as ID, wind speed, and wind direction, with sizes ranging from 1 to 1 million rows. Latency was calculated for CRUD, or create, read, update, and delete operation by measuring the time difference between the start and completion of each operation. Here's the result. For the latency testing, the latency result revealed that Firebase HTTP demonstrated consistently low latency across operations, even with large datasets. For example, in read operation with 1 million records, Firebase latency was 5.03 seconds compared to Supabase 16.27 seconds. While Supabase performed well on smaller dataset, it struggled as the size increased particularly in update and delete operation. Then for the scalability testing, we simulated overloads of 100, then 500, and 1,000 concurrent users. The result, Firebase maintained a 100% success rate and low response time, even with 1,000 users. But in Supabase, however, faced performance rate degradation. For example, at 1,000 users, its success rate dropped to just 17.87%, with response time increasing significantly. They demonstrated Firebase superiority in handling high concurrency scenarios. Then for the traffic testing, Firebase processed all 9,000 requests with a stable average of 701.3 requests per second, showcasing consistent performance under sustained loads. Supabase processed 8,020 requests but showed fluctuation, with RPS, or requests per second, dropping to 0 at times, indicating bottleneck and instability. For the cost analysis, we comparing costs. Firebase offers a pay-as-you-go model, providing flexibility but potentially higher cost for large-scale usage. But Supabase type pricing is predictable and cost-effective for smaller applications, but may limit the growth. For example, Firebase storage costs start at $5 per gigabyte, while Supabase offer 8 gigabyte for 0.125 per gigabyte in its Pro plans. So this is the comparison. Firebase RTDB excels in low latency, scalability, and consistent throughput, making it ideal for high traffic and real-time application. But Supabase is a strong choice for small-scale, budget-conscious project, particularly those requiring complex SQL queries. The choice ultimately depends on the specific requirements of the application. In the conclusion, Firebase RTDB outperforms Supabase in most performance metrics, making it suitable for applications with high traffic and real-time requirements. Supabase, while cost-effective, is better suited for smaller projects with moderate performance demands. Future research could explore hybrid solutions that combine the strengths of the both platforms for greater flexibility and scalability. That's the future improvement. And then we would like to thank State College of Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics and the Indonesian Agency for Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics for their support and guidance in this research. Thank you all for your attention. I'm happy to take any question if you may have. Thank you.